નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Standard 9th, Subject Science, Chapter 13, Why Do We Fall In? So, dear students, in the last video we have discussed about the health and its failure. Today we will discuss about the distinctions between the health and disease free. See, first of all, you will see the definition. Healthy means what? It is a state of physical, mental, social well-being. So, the person who is healthy means he must be physically well, physical fitness will be there, mentally, and as well as social relations. So, then you can say he is a healthy person. Now, relation with the disease. Okay, what is the relation with the disease? A healthy person is free from diseases. So, see, we can say the healthy person like this. He should be or he must be free from disease. Any diseases should not be. And performs. A healthy person is energetic. You know that healthy person is an energetic person. Okay, because he doesn't have any sort of diseases. And influence what is there? Her health may be influenced by the person's attitude. Person's attitude means personal, what he is going to do, personal attitude, personal behavior, and as well as with the environment. And environment also. Attitude and as well as environment. So these all will be depends, or this all healthy persons will be what complete of this one. So then you can say he is a healthy person. Okay, disease free. Disease free means what? Okay, for example, you can say the definition here. It is a state when the body is free from any discomfort. So any sort of discomfort means any sort of what free from any sort of activities or other things, discomfort, not be happiness, or symptoms of any diseases. So then is relation with the disease. A disease-free person may or may not be healthy. See, disease-free person may or may not be healthy is your. The third point is influence performs. Disease-free person may or may not be performing well. And fourth point is influence. Disease-free state is related to the individual. Why? Because the disease-free person is individual, not related with the what any group wise. So it's individual things. Okay. So now we see that disease persons, a distinction between healthy and disease free. If this is what do you mean by the health? See, here we will learn about the 5Fs. 5Fs. So what is to be 5Fs? Means what? The disease transmission. How the disease transmission depends upon the 5Fs. So one is the here fingers, one fingers is given, and flies, feeds, and as well as fluids, and as well as floods. So this is a 5Fs. 5Fs you are saying. So one is, I will say fingers, and another one is flies, and another one is feeds, and another one is floods, or here food also, and fluids. Okay, now we will see that fluids means what here? Protecting the water source and treat the stored waters safely. See, protection of the water, okay, and treat and store the water safely. And wash our hands. Fingers means wash our hands before preparing and taking the food. Okay, before and after the food. Also, we have to wash our hands after the defecation. Defecation means what? Defecation means after going for what you are saying, urines or even excreta or solid waste we are removing, you know. So that's after this we should wash them. And flies, cover the food and control the fire. Cover the food and can control the flies. And the next one, clean vegetables and fruits. Clean vegetables and fruits. So means avoid open defecations, and before use it, so you have to clean it, and vegetables and fruits, and proper drainage system, treatment of water should be there. So means these are all fecal matter or excretion or excretory matter. This one, flies and mosquitoes. So this will all move place to place, and diseases are spreading. So that is why hygiene as well as sanitation should be cleanliness. Okay, we should maintain the cleanliness. Public cleanliness should be there. Okay, so this prevention of transmission of diseases by maintaining the sanitation and as well as hygiene. So dear students, disease in other words, disturbed comfort, okay, easiness. So uncomfortable. However, the word is used more limited. We talk about the diseases when we can find a specific or particular cause of discomfort. Okay, any discomfort. So then we can say disease. So another more thing is, see, we are here. This does not mean that we have to know about the absolute final cause. So maybe the reason may be of any other ways. We can say that someone is suffering from diarrhea or loose motion without knowing exactly how it was caused. Okay, these are all about the diseases. We can know easily that it is possible to be the poor health with actually suffering from a particular disease. Okay. Simply not being diseased is not the same as being healthy. Disease is not the same as being healthy. Good health for dancer may mean that being to stretch his body into difficult. See, it depends upon their healthiness means what. See, for example, dancer is good health. So means dancer is not the same as being healthy. So good health for the dancer means by meaning that able to stretch his body. Able to stretch means his body part can be moved, stretch his body into difficult but graceful positions. So on the other hand, good health for the musician means different. Maybe mean that have enough breathing capacity. Musicians, he has to produce the sound, like pleasant sound. So enough breathing capacity in his or her lungs to control the notes from her flute. So in this way, to have the opportunity to realize that unique potential is all of us. See, unique potential means if you want to do or if you want to perform any work properly, we should keep our health well. So for keeping the health, we should take the proper food and time also, proper time, proper food, and the food should contain, that all sort of carbohydrates, proteins, then vegetables, minerals, fruits, so milk. So like this way, and the health depends on. So we can, in the poor health, without there be a simple cause in the form of an identifiable diseases. Suppose you know that poor health, the diseases may not be identifiable. Okay, so cannot be identified. So this is the reason why when we think about the health, we think about societies and communities. So means that here what they is saying, our health depends upon the societies, and also our health depends upon communities. So depends upon the communities, depends upon the, what you are saying, societies. So societies, communities, why? If the environment is clean, so the persons can keep health. Here not only environment, social relationships. So if we are good with the relations or good with the neighbors or as well as wherever we are going, so then our mental will be well. So you will be, the mental leads to the even healthy body. So on the other hand, when we think about the diseases, we think about the individual sufferers. So means diseases is about the individual. It depends upon the persons, only this individual person. Healthy means different and disease free means different. Okay. So what distinction between the healthy and as well as disease free? So healthy persons may not be disease free, or disease persons, what you are saying, see, suppose physical, mental and social, he is wealthy, will be there. Okay, sometimes maybe of disease, can you say completely of disease free? May not be, because any discomfort, any symptoms of disease may arise, and disease free person may or may not be of performing well, and disease free state is also related to the individual one. So that's why, dear students, here one more important aspect is you should learn the 5 Fs is so important. 5 Fs. So what is the 5 Fs? Here I told fluids. Okay, for one, fingers, second, flies, third, feeds, fourth, and floods, the fifth one. So this is what? This is depends upon our locally. Say for example, fluids we are saying. Fluids means what? Protect the water source. We should protect the water source and treat with the store water safely. So our water source. So what we are using the water must be free from the disease, or must be free from the any sort of bacteria or worms. Okay. And another one is washing our hands before before taking the food, and after meals. Okay, like this way, and cover the food well. So this is also so that mosquitoes or flies will not be attacked there, and cleaning vegetables and fruits, and proper drainage system so that water will be treated well. So these are all about the 5 Fs. So this 5 Fs means prevention of transmission of diseases by maintaining the sanitation and as well as hygiene. So this is about the distinction between the healthy and disease free. So dear students, we'll learn in the next video how the diseases and its causes, how it happens, what does diseases look like, okay, and the types of the diseases. Okay, these are the things we'll learn in the next video. Okay, students, thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for joining us.